The subject of the discourse is Omkar Tattva and His grace. Devotees say, our beloved Lord was alone, so He created His children, sons and daughters. Vedas, in Vedas it is written, Eko ham bahushyama. Eko, ek means one. Aham, I am one. I was one. Bahushyama, bahu means many. To become many.
在吠陀经典里面，
A star is created in the macrocosm. Macrocosm means cosmic mind, cosmic chips.
当
In
然
other words, when the influence of Prakriti expresses itself upon Purusha, Supreme Consciousness, the cosmic thought process goes into action.
也
Where
就是说，
there is action, there is vibration. And where there is vibration, there is sound.
那只要
This sound, acoustic group, is represented by a letter called seed letter. So, when Supreme Entity desires to create something, the star created in the cosmic mind, in the cosmic chitta or macrocosm, that star is represented by a letter sound.
当
The star in the cosmic mind of creation is represented by a sound or. That is why
而整个宇宙
or is the first vowel, is the first letter of Indo-Aryan, means Sanskrit alphabetical order.
那这就是
So
为什么
first comes the creation, and then in the second phase of creation, the Supreme Entity maintains or preserves the creation, preserves the created beings. And this desire of preservation is represented by the sound Om.
而
In the third and the last phase of creation, the Supreme Entity desires to withdraw the creation or the created being from the expressed form, from the phenomenal effect into the original or nominal form. And this withdrawal is called destruction, represented by the sound Mos.
所以这
O is the acoustic root of creation. U is the acoustic root of preservation. Mo is the acoustic root of destruction.
所以整个宇宙
The creating entity, that is generator, G. Preserving entity, that is operator, O. And withdrawing entity, destructing entity, D. For the word G-O-D, God.
而
So, all human beings proceed on the path of Pranava, on the path of Omkar. Do not run, Don't run after this manifested world. This is a mirage. This is merely a passing show. Establish yourself in the subtlest entity. Establish yourself in the sentientness and proceed towards that original point. That point where from Omkar is coming. Once Baba, perhaps in Patna, Patna is the capital city of a state called Bihar. Long before, just in the beginning, say in 1960s, many Margis devotees were sitting, and Baba asked, raise the hand, who has listened, who has heard this sound? Nobody raised, but one person, only one person raised the hand, and he was quite illiterate, a villager, a rustic. So it has nothing to do with our qualification, with our long degree. This needs sadhana and devotion. In the year 1955, it was second Dharma Mahachakra. On 9th January 1955, it was held in the Baba's railway quarter, and at that time the number of Margis was very less because it was the beginning of Anand Marga. So the DMC was held in the evening in Baba's railway quarter. When the discourse of Baba was over, Baba demonstrated what he said in the discourse. Baba demonstrated this in practice. Baba was looking very attractive, a brilliance at his face, and Baba was very happy. Then Baba said, the sadhaka is sitting there, sadhaka under demonstration, and Baba is ordering Kundalini Shakti to rise. And Baba is ordering. The Shakti, the Kundalini force, the Kundalini Shakti is following Baba's command. The sadhaka falls on the ground, on the back, like this. And Baba is explaining, is saying, is talking to the devotees who were sitting there. Baba said, he is listening to Omkar. After 15 minutes or so, Baba ordered the Shakti to come down and go slowly and slowly to the Muladhara Chakra. And after some time, the sadhaka who was lying on the ground, he gets up and he sits on the ground. When he was asked, he said only one thing: I was enjoying a long, deep sleep. So, by our sadhana and devotion, by His grace, we shall also be able to listen this in this very life. So, this is the supreme grace. This is the causeless grace of Mahasamruti Baba. The subject of the discourse is dhyana. Dhyana is a Sanskrit word. Baba told, from this Sanskrit word dhyana, it metamorphosed or it became Chan in Chinese language. And from Chan it became chain in Korean language. And chain became Jain in Japanese language. Dhyan is a devotional phenomenon in essence.
而事实上，
Shankaracharya, born in Bharatvarsha, also said, Moksha karanam samagrayam bhakti reva gariyasi. He says, of all the paths, devotion is the highest for ultimate liberation, that is moksha. Dhyan is a dual phenomenon, that is, it has two aspects. One,
而虔诚
a sadhaka realizes himself or herself as the vastest entity, it is said as Savikalpa Samadhi.
这种
Second,
呢，
it is the realization of subtlest entity. That is, when a sadhaka realizes himself or herself as the subtlest entity, this is said as Nirvikalpa Samadhi. The psycho-spiritual practice of Ishwar Pranidhan, our first lesson of Sahaj Yoga, is the practice of to realize the vastest entity, and it leads to Savikalpa Samadhi.
事实上呢，
Ishwar Pranidhan mantra, Ishta mantra plays the paramount role. Sadguru or God Himself, direct Brahma, in the form of Sadguru, is the designer of mantra. As a designer of mantra, Sadguru is known as
有
Mahakaul.
划线。
The
那
first Mahakaul who advented on this earth was Sadashiva, 7,000 years. The mantras, he designed the mantras which continued for long time. But in due course of time, the mantras faded. They lost their power. So then Lord Krishna came. He also designed, recharged, revitalized and formed new mantras, Lord Krishna. Then the mantras, those mantras also faded, the force, and then came the third Mahasambhuti, the third Mahakaur, who designed some new mantras and he revitalized, re-in-charged some old mantras. So, in the practice of Ishwar Pradhan, as I said, mantra plays the important role, and this mantra is the form of Sadguru. In other words, Sadguru resides in mantra, Ishta mantra, in the form of mantra Shakti. Sadhak feels or experiences himself or herself as a drop in the cosmic ocean, as a pint in the blissful ocean of cosmic entity. And then sadhak, spiritual aspirant or aspirant, associates his pointed eye or psychic self with the cosmic entity, with the macrocosmic entity through the process of jap kriya. The sadhak adjusts the inhalation and exhalation, that is prana shakti. Prana shakti with he adjusts this prana shakti with Ishta mantra. He takes the ideation of mantra, that is bhava shakti. Ideation means bhava shakti. He takes the ideation of mantra. Now, what happens after this? The jap kriya is going on. So what happens? The particles of chitta, the ectoplasmic particles or the particles of chitta, they get transformed into bhava, that is cosmic ideation or divine ideation. Then, with the continuation of jap kriya, there is perpetual or constant attraction of cosmic entity, and due to this perpetual or what we can say constant attraction of cosmos, what happens? The crude portion of mind, that is chitta, merges in its preceding subtle portion, aham tattva, doer I, and then the aham, that is doer I, merges in its preceding subtle portion, mahatattva, that is pure I. And then this unit mahat, pure I of jiva, dissolves into cosmic mahat. So it is said in Anand Marg philosophy, Bhuma vyapti mahati aham chittayor pranashe sabuna sthiti savikalpa samadhiva. This is savikalpa samadhi, the trance of determinate absorption. So this is the sutra in our book Anand Sutram. Now, when sadhaka, the aspirant, in this state, what happens? He enjoys the blissful shelter in the vast, sweet, divine lap of Cosmic Father.
那
He is so blissful. He feels, he experiences so ecstatic, so blissful, so much joy that the sadhak begins to sing, Prabhu, Tumay Amar Nav Parichay Ode Dine Pari Prabhu Tumay Amar Nav Parichay Ode Dine Pari Ode Dine Pari Oh my beloved Lord, after how many lives, after so many lives, after several lives, this is my first, this is my new introduction with you. So, in this Ishwar Pradhan through Savikalpa Samadhi, the sadhak ultimately elevates himself or herself to realize that I am his, he is mine, I am yours, you are mine, both become one. So this is the gist of the spirit of our first lesson. I have not gone into any detail of this. So you will respond loudly. Yogeshwar Shri Shri Anand Murti Ji ki Jai.
I love this tiny green island surrounded by the sea. I love this tiny green island surrounded by the sea. Touched by the sea, decorated by the sea. Touched by the sea, decorated by the sea. I love this tiny green island surrounded by the sea. I love this tiny green island surrounded by the sea. Am I a secluded figure in the vast little amiga? Am I a secluded figure in the vast little amiga? No, 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 I am not alone. No, 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 I am not alone. Great is with me, the great is with me. I love this tiny green island surrounded by the sea. I love this tiny green island surrounded by the sea. Touched by the sea, decorated by the sea. Touched by the sea, decorated by sea. I love this tiny green island surrounded by the sea. I love this tiny green island surrounded by the sea. I love this tiny green island surrounded by the sea.